In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Candle Breakout Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Let's get started right on your TradingView chart. Make sure you're already logged in and have a chart open for any market you want to analyze, whether that's stocks, crypto, Forex, or indices. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorites. When you click it, a new window or panel will open. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search bar. This is the easiest way to quickly find any indicator instead of scrolling through long lists. Click on the search field so it's active, and now we're going to look up the specific indicator you want. In the search bar, start typing Candle Breakout Oscillator. Type the full name carefully so TradingView can match it correctly. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see the Candle Breakout Oscillator appear in the list of indicators. It may be under built-ins, community scripts, or something similar, depending on how it's published. Once you see it in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually below the price chart, showing the oscillator, or it may overlay on your chart depending on how it's designed. Now that it's visible, you'll want to fine-tune it so it works the way you like. Look for the settings icon on the indicator itself. This is typically a small gear or similar symbol, either on the left side of the indicator label or on the panel where the oscillator appears. Click on that settings icon to open the configuration window. Here you can adjust inputs, colors, line styles, and visibility. Take a moment to explore these options. For example, you might change the look back periods, adjust the colors to match your chart theme, or increase line thickness so it's easier to see. When you're happy with the way it looks and behaves, click OK or close the settings window and your custom setup will be saved to that chart. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock more tools, better layouts, and an overall smoother experience, make sure to use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you can follow along with this setup and get the most out of the Candle Breakout Oscillator on your own TradingView Pro account.